How to turn off active status for specific people on Messenger. Hello everybody. If you're wondering how you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up your Messenger first into your device. And once you open it up, you should be finding this. So what you can do is head over to the menu in the bottom right corner of your screen. And when you do, you will be finding this. Now from this here, you can head over to the option that says settings. And from settings, under this profile section, you should be finding active status. So what you're going to do is simply tap on the option that says active status. After tapping on this option, here you will be finding a toggle option. So what you're going to do is simply go ahead and turn this option off. If it is on, you can tap on it to turn it off. After that, if you want it for specific people, there is no such way, but you can follow up the steps in order to turn off your active status for entire people. So that is how you basically turn off active status for some people on Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.